Hey YouTube. So, just starting to clip some of these plants. I think I'm gonna do something with this tank. I'm gonna do a little more rescaping, and I actually just went out in the backyard and I grabbed a few more rocks to put in here. I think I'm gonna try to do in the far corner here something more like a mound of rocks with the driftwood in front of it. And I'm gonna hide the sponge filter behind all those plants. So both filters will be on that end of the tank, but I think that's fine. Look at all these little, you guys can't see them, there's one. Little detritus worms or something, just floating around in here. Anyhow, oh, can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Can't really focus on it. There we go. Anyhow, I'll show you a little bit more in a minute. So I think I've decided with this. I'm just gonna go with this. That's what it is on top, looking down. I've stuck the filter back here, but you can hardly see it from here. I think that's good. I'm okay with that. So with this particular tank, I'd have to bucket every time. So what I do is I fill up that pail and I siphon it from there back into my tank. That's one thing about having tanks that are low to the ground. It's hard to maintain sometimes. Alrighty, tank number 1 done. Gave it a bit of a water change. I feel like all the baby plecos are happy. They're kind of coming up. I feel like there's more, like I can see the bottom of the tank more. I couldn't see what was going on. It was too, I just couldn't see all the babies, so happy with that. There is a full-grown male in there, which I didn't actually see. He's pretty good at hiding. But I did manage to snag one of the big females, and I put her in here too, so I would assume it won't be long. They'll be in this little cave here doing the magic dance. Okay, so now this tank. So I was just trimming some plants out, and Elmo here, he's pretty friendly. Like he always comes and sees me when we're doing tank maintenance. He's pretty cool betta. I can't believe there must be 30 plants here, maybe more clippings, but the tank sure looks a lot better. Like my wife says, oh, there is fish in there. There's a lot of snails too. I got a little bit of green hair algae in some spots. I've been struggling with it for a while now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might get some peroxide and just kind of spot treat it. See what happens. Anyhow, that's that tank. One more. So it'll probably be hard to tell, but usually I'll see this water level in this center reservoir here start to drop, which usually identifies to me that this is going on. Nice duty filter, as the pump is pumping it out of here quicker than it can make its way back in. So time to clean some filters. Alrighty guys, all done. I have a look here. Unfortunately, my bigger tank, when I cleaned the filter, I also made it a little cloudy. Oh, what's he doing? Posing. Little guys. Oh, here comes a big guy. wish there's a blue phantom in here too. Can't really see him. He's on that rock. Oh, I got the glare to go away. I can't, can I? No, anyhow. Yeah, too bad this tank got so cloudy. And then, oh, where's my little thing? I've got it put magnets on here so I can just click that back on. And this tank. Anyhow, horrible camera work, horrible video, but it's been a while.